The funny bearded sound guy definition vintage sunset t-shirt is a unique and humorous piece that celebrates the quirky and essential role of the sound technician. This shirt is a perfect choice for those who work behind the scenes, particularly in audio and sound engineering. But it also speaks to those who enjoy a good laugh while embracing the culture of live shows and music events. The shirt's design incorporates a playful definition of what it means to be a bearded sound guy, highlighted by a vintage sunset graphic, offering a nostalgic vibe. Whether you're part of the crew who makes events run smoothly or simply someone who appreciates the craft of sound engineering, this t-shirt will make a statement. Made from 100% cotton, this t-shirt ensures a soft, comfortable fit that's perfect for daily wear. Cotton is known for its breathable properties, making this shirt ideal for those long days of work or for casual outings. The high-quality cotton used in this shirt guarantees durability, so it holds up well to frequent washing and wearing. The shirt's softness and comfort are key features, providing a relaxed fit that can be worn on various occasions, from a busy day at work to a laid-back weekend gathering. The vintage sunset design not only adds a fun element to the t-shirt but also ensures that it stands out in a crowd, adding personality to your wardrobe. Funny bearded sound guy definition vintage sunset t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Embrace your vibe with our funny bearded sound guy t-shirt, perfect for music lovers. Rock your vibe with our funny bearded sound guy sweatshirt, perfect for music lovers and amp sunset fans. Get your groove on with our funny bearded sound guy tank top, perfect for sunset vibes. Embrace your quirky side. Get the funny bearded sound guy tee for vintage vibes and amp laughs. Embrace the vibe. Vintage sunset hoodie for every funny bearded sound guy's wardrobe. The funny bearded sound guy definition vintage sunset t-shirt is proudly manufactured the United States, which adds an extra layer of pride for those who value American-made products. The attention to detail in the design and construction of the shirt ensures that it meets the highest standards of quality, making it a durable and reliable choice for any wardrobe. With its blend of humor and style, this t-shirt is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a statement about appreciating the role of sound engineers, while also celebrating the timeless allure of a vintage sunset. Whether you're sporting it as part of your work uniform or as a casual outfit, this t-shirt offers both functionality and flair. The humorous, yet meaningful design makes it a great gift for friends or colleagues who share a passion for sound and music. Additionally, the shirt's versatility allows it to be paired easily with jeans, shorts, or even a jacket for a laid-back, yet stylish look. Other product